Masquera say, More Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zinc Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanakarike kutanka kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingogara wakasubscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi More Zimbabwe Tagwirei nyaya iri kupisa, nyaya iri kunetsa, nyaya yabuditswa phone call yakaitwa na presidential spokesperson Charamba na Kuda Tagwirei over the phone. And they've made peace. Mushure mukunge vakawanikwa vachifonerana pane nyaya yainge yanetsa pakanetsa paX between Charamba pamwe chete naye Kuda Tagwirei's friends ore Zimbabwe. So Charamba wazobuda vachirava vachiti after a call na Vatagwirei vakabuda vachiti he is not on social media, and the people vairwisana na Charamba and they are not aligned to Kuda Tagwirei. Nyaya iyi yakabuditswa neNewsWalks vachitaura ivo vachiti President Emerson Mnangagwa, spokesperson Charamba and business tycoon Kuda Tagwirei have made peace after talking on the phone following some pot shots fired by presidential mouthpiece at the business mogul over remarks published on X page land tenure beneficiaries Kuda Tagwirei. Charamba had reacted angrily after seeing a post on the page praising Tagwirei, who is close to Mnangagwa, in his capacity as chairperson of the Land Tenure Implementation Committee for bringing a new era and transformative shift in land ownership. The Twitter page said, a new era led by Dr. Kuda Tagwirei Zimbabwe is undergoing a transformative shift in land ownership, spearheaded by Kuda Tagwirei, chairperson of the Land Tenure Implementation Committee. This initiative is part of President Emerson Mnangagwa's Vision 2030 agenda, aiming to empower citizens, especially youth and women, through secure land ownership and economic opportunities. In reaction to that, Charamba charged, "It is this kind of communication I just find disgusting. The Land Tenure Program is a program of government of Zimbabwe in which is led by President Emerson Mnangagwa. He appoints persons to implement it. Those persons neither own nor lead it. They merely implement it to the direct of the principle. Why try and draw a wedge between the president and Comrade Tagwirei through such reckless communication done under a coat of arms of the Zimbabwe government? Kana musingazvigoni bvunzai man." After speaking to Tagwirei, whom he also seemed to attack a few days ago by denouncing people who get unearned PhDs as he is just one of those, Charamba retreated, setting the record straight. "I have just been on the phone with Kuda Tagwirei. He categorically denies any link with accounts pretending association with him, including the one calling itself Land Tenure Program and another calling itself Friends of Kuda Tagwirei. He confirms the suspicion I have always held that these accounts were created and are run by crooks and or anti-ZANU-PF political activists who either seek to carry favor or to cause disquiet in the ruling party. They will achieve neither." Ndomabuditsiro akaitwa nyaya yemure Zimbabwe the Newswalks. Tisingazivi kuti unaiona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudziwo zvamuri kufunga mucomment section.